Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to check your phone storage usage easily on Android. First, open your Settings app from the app drawer or home screen. Then scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Care. After that, tap on Storage to view your storage breakdown. Now, you'll see your total storage capacity and how much space is used. This shows you exactly what's taking up space on your device. Furthermore, you can see categories like apps, images, videos, audio files, and documents listed with their individual storage usage. And then tap on any category to see more details. For example, tap on apps to see which apps are using the most storage space. Additionally, if you want to free up space, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Advanced. After doing that, you'll see more options like an unused apps that you can review and delete. And that's it. Checking your phone storage usage helps you manage space efficiently and keep your device running smoothly. Monitor your storage regularly to avoid running out of space.